Hello everyone, good day. My name is ADLM, the founder of the Academy for Digital Learning and Mastery Studio, ADLM. In this video, I'll be introducing us to the amazing tool created by ADLM called the ADLM Rate Gen, aka QGen. The ADLM Rate Gen is an app that has been built by ADLM to help quantity surveyors to automatically prepare the rates for every item of work. This app has over 500 building materials with over 200 labor items, and it also has the option to add your own materials to the material library. Another beauty of this app is that it allows you to automatically update price from ADLM servers, where in one click you can either choose to update price for online, or you can also input your prices yourself. This app also has input rates for over 300 items of work in construction, where you have the breakdown of material, labor, overhead, and profit. Another beauty of this beautiful app is it allows you to automatically build your rates, where you can input all your parameters and build your rates. Come, let me show you how to make use of this app. Good day once again. So let's check out the ADLM Rate Gen app. This app has been built to make the workflow of every cost manager, project manager, and even cost estimator easier, even contractors. Makes your workflow easier. So this is the app here. So let me just quickly do a quick installation. So it's a very simple to install app. So once you double click on the installer, it opens this up, accepts, and next, then always make sure you click on create desktop shortcut so you can access this from your desktop. Click next, and you click install. So this installs the app immediately, then launch. Okay. So after installing this app now, you see we are greeted with the sign in screen. So let's just quickly sign in. I'll input my name and the password. Okay, and the password. Now this password is usually sent to you when you sign up. So immediately you purchase this Rate Gen app, you would get a mail immediately after payment is made on with your username and your password, which you can use to sign in anytime. Okay, so with this now, just click on login. So then I click login now, sign in successfully. So I can view all of this here. So I have my sidebar, I have the main workspace here. Okay, and I have my search bar here. I will explain all of this as we proceed. Now, when we're greeted with this page here, we see our material tab and our labor tab. So this is basically your material and labor library. Okay, it shows you all the materials and all the labor items that you have inside this app here. Now we come down here, you go down, you see that we have up to I think around 500, over 500 materials in here. So you can always check all of this out for your workflow. Okay. Now in here, you can click on each of these material item to change the prices. So probably you are not fine with the default price, or probably there's a change or a change in price, probably depending on your location, wherever you are in the world. I want to probably change the price in your library here. All you just have to do is you click on this and you change the price. Once you change the price, it changes here also. Okay. Now that's the beauty of this. So whatever price you have here is not limited. You can always change the price here. Same for labor also. We have the labor library, which also implement the same thing. So you click on this here, you can always change the price. Okay. We have several categories of labor. We have laborers, we have plants, and all of that. Now let's probably change the price of this cutting machine here to probably 4,000 naira. And just click update. So these few changes that you make here, it's for your own personal use, only for your system here. So your rate is unique to you. Nobody has your own rate. Okay. So you can always use the default prices that we made available, or change it to whatever you want your rates are. So if you feel like whatever prices here is not suitable for you, all you have to do is click on it and you change the price immediately. Okay. Now we have this add labor. Now these buttons to add material labor is meant for you. Probably you checked through the entire items here and you feel like your item or your the details of work is not made available here. What you can just do is add labor, and probably you just create it. So probably I'm adding special painter. So probably we are paying him per hour. So his hourly rate is probably 600, and this category is now painting work. Okay, so I can save this to the database. Yeah. So probably you're an MEP professional also, and you just check through and you feel like probably there's not enough piping details or pipe details here. Okay, all the pipe size and everything is not made available. What you just do is click on add material. So you can just probably add 50 mm PVC pipe. That's 2-inch pipe. So the unit is length, so per length. So the length of the pipe, probably this 50 mm pipe, a single length around 4,500. It's just an example. Category can now be PVC pipe. So if I click on save to database here, this saves it to this library. So if I come down here, you can see the new item I added, PVC library. So PVC pipe. So this is the details and this is the cost of that pipe here. Okay. Now we have the search bar also. Probably I want to search for a particular item, probably cement. So it is a very responsive search bar that before you even type finish, it gives you what you need immediately. So probably I want to search for paint. So you have several paint types here also, which you can also it searches for you and it shows you that immediately. So that makes your work easy. You can just quickly search the library to check the latest prices at all. Then we have this other icon here that allows you to select based on categories. So if I have any category I select here, still works only shows me everything that's to do with still work. So it filters it out for you. So filter just still work items. If I select this and I probably want to change this to timber doors, I get to see all the timber doors here. So whatever price that is here, probably I'm not cool with it. This door here, 4,000, it's not very. So just click on this here. I can just change this to probably 150,000 naira. Just click update. So this saves it for you also immediately. Okay. Then we have this update price. Now this update price allows you to update your library from ADLM server. So if you click on this update here, and click yes to update everything from ADLM servers. Okay, now this is it does not delete what you have initially. Okay, it doesn't delete what you have initially, it just updates what is existing. So probably you have extra, we've added your own custom items already. So what you've added, you can just click on update to update the prices of the default items. This update of default prices here allows you to easily update price. So basically we'll be sending out updates monthly to users. So probably you get a monthly update which will be sent to your most. You receive a mail notification that an update is made available to the price or the library or the app itself. Just click on update here and you get the latest prices on your own workflow. So it's either you do your manual updates to the library or just click this to automatically update. Then you can just search through to filter and verify what has been updated. Okay. Now we have the next part, which is groundwork. So no matter your location in the world, all you just have to do is probably you are in a different country. This is currently priced based on Nigerian prices, probably in a different country. All you just have to do is we can make use of this beautiful currency change. It probably changes to euro. Yeah, so this changes to euros. Yeah, so you can just change this and input your price based on your country's currency. Okay, so this is based on your country's currency. Yeah, so for now it's just in Nigeria. Okay. So we have other items which I'll just show you groundworks in this video. Upcoming videos on this channel would explain more on every other item. So don't forget to watch this video to the end, like this video, subscribe to the channel because we'll be giving various updates and various videos on this Rate Gen app. Okay. Now inside this groundworks view here, this takes you to all the items of work that has to do with groundwork, from clearing, excavation, both excavation by machine, by hand, topsoil removal, compacting, disposal of materials, everything they are all in here for you. Okay, so you can easily change the overhead and profit. Now this allows you to prepare your bill either based on the actual prices or based on the overhead and profit. So when you have a construction project to work on, you can either choose to prepare your bill based on the actual. So as a contractor, as a quantity surveyor, or even as a client in this instance, you can easily just quickly check the price. Once you have your quantities, just verify the rates here and you verify that against your contractor's rate. Okay. Now the beauty of this is you can easily change your overhead and profit. So what I want to check while your probably contractor priced, I want to check his profit margin. So you can just click on this here. I think I'll change my overhead to probably 15% and I change my profit to probably 20%. See that this is it updates immediately. So it updates your calculation. So the net cost remains it is as it is, then the overhead and profit changes to give you your total cost of project. So you can just do is just use this direct value into your bills of quantity or into your quotation. Now, once you click on this, when you click on this so site clearance here, you see this here, you have each item here. You have the bulldozer, we have the price, this. So we have all the items that mix up the rate here. So this is how the form how it was calculated, and this is how you came about it. Now, in a situation, probably this bulldozer here, your location probably is not 750, probably is around 500,000, for example. So what you just do is just come out of this part here. You don't know where bulldozer is, so you just search for, just click up here and just search for D8. We are using the D, that's D8 bulldozer. So you can see this here immediately. D8 bulldozer under labor library. So you have this here. So we are using this under labor library. So you can just come here and change, search for it again, D8. So this is it here, D8 bulldozer. So if I click this and I change the price to probably 500,000, I click update. So I can easily come to this groundwork again, select this here, and I would see this change updated immediately, which has eventually affected my net cost and my total. Okay, so that is the ease of workflow that this app allows you to have. So you can select any item of work here, so you can easily change the information. Just quickly search for where this is located at, and you can change the prices to what suits your workflow. Okay, the quantities are fixed, but prices are editable. Now, up here we have, let me explain these buttons. We have the load from servers. So probably we have these current items that we have like 18. Probably we need to make updates from our own end, and you probably want to get, if you get the email, an email notification that new groundwork items have been added or new concrete work items have been added and so on. Or just load from remote server. So if you click on this load from remote server here, it asks you if you want to really update. So if you click yes, it updates it, and if you click no, it cancels it, and you don't see any update again. Okay, so you can either choose to update monthly, because we'll be rolling out updates regularly, probably monthly, as this is subscription based. So as long as your subscription is active, you can easily get all these items and get more features. Once the subscription expires, you lose access to the entire app. Okay, so click on this ad. So now, probably in a situation now where you've seen ground concrete and so on, and probably your work is based on civil works or MEP work or even specialized steel work, and you feel like these items are not enough, I have the option to quickly add custom rate here. So if you click on add custom rate here, you can easily input the information about that custom rate. So probably I want to add a custom rate for my pipe work, and um, so here we just name, let's just name this 50 mm PVC pipe, or just 50 mm pipe. The other description here, I can just type out PVC pipe work, and it's measured in per meter, measured per meter. So my overhead, I can change this overhead to probably 15%, and my profit margin to probably 20%. This is editable, whatever you want. Now, you now have this add material button. So you click on this here and just choose to add materials from the library. So you can use the default library materials, or you can even type in your own materials there. So probably I'll come down here. I want to use 50 mm. So about 50. Or let me just pick anything from the library here. So let me just click on this here. So let's just use, let me just type it 50 mm pipe, PVC pipe. So I'm not using what is in the library, I'm just using my own description here. So probably my rate for this pipe is 5,000, 4,000 naira. Then the unit is length, that's per meter in meter. So I'm probably using 1 meter of this. Okay, so I'm preparing my rates per meter. Then I'll add probably gum. Let me see if I have gum. If I just type in gum, there's no gum. So I'll just put my rate for gum here. Probably the size of gum I'll be using. Probably I'm using a 6,000 naira gum. So per pack or per bottle. So probably the quantity of gum will be 0.6 or 0.2 for this single length of pipe. So you can just add as many information as you want. Then label. So for labor work, plumber, so you can add the rate also. So probably I'm paying him 2.5 per day, and I need probably one of that. So one plumber with this gum and this. So you can just adjust this to however it is. This is just an example here. So once you click this, just click on save, then click OK. So this shows that I saved successfully, then close. So what you can just do now, if you come to this saved rate, now you can see what you added. You've seen your PVC pipe. You can see all that previous information here. So you can just, if you click on it once, you can edit this information here to suit your current workflow. They can also change the currency. You probably want to pay your bill in USD. So you can just go back and come back in. So this is it here. You get the prices and you can check the dates you made those adjustments also. So that is for this year. So you can make adjustment, you can simply check your items of work here, the details and all that. So you can add custom rates here. You can search for custom rates. So you can add as many custom rates as you want. And you can either use the default here or add. So it's very user friendly and easy to use. Okay. So we'll be making more videos on this channel concerning these rates. We'll be making use of it with our plugins. We use the Plan Swift or Revit plugin to generate our quantities from our drawing, and we use this rates app to include the rates. The plugin also includes those material schedules, so you can make use of the plugin for a material schedule, and also use this rate app to update the prices of those materials. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe to this channel, don't forget to watch it, like this video, and stay tuned because we'll be making more videos on ADLM plugins and apps, and expect more from ADLM. Have a wonderful day. Peace.